Hello guys, this is Ask Anastasia and I want to show you this beautiful place. First of all, this is just behind me. I'm not sure where to look. Right here, right? Okay, this just behind me. Look how beautiful this trail is. You can just go for a walk and we can talk about credit while we're walking. So I was getting a lot of response for this video, mistakes that you can make with your credit. And number one questions that people are asking me: if I don't have any credit, where do I start? What do I do? So the first thing that I always recommend when you're just starting building your credit is ask your mom or your friend or I don't know, somebody that you know, because for me it was different. When I got to United States, I don't have no one who can help me with this building credit, so I didn't know this and I don't want you to go through it. So ask somebody that you know to add you to their credit card as an authorized user. People are thinking that they're risking their credit, like let's say they have a credit card for $3,000 and they're gonna give you a card and then you spend it and then they need to pay it back. Is it true? Yes, it is. But most of the time what's happening, they're not gonna give you a card. They just gonna call their company, say, I need to add authorized user to my credit account. You're gonna need to provide them with your name, your social security, your date of birth, and this card gonna be mailed to this person address. So they're gonna receive it, they're gonna call and activate the card, and then what they need to do is to spend at least like $10 on this card, like put a gas or buy some grocery with it, and forget about it, just put it away. And when bill come, they pay like regular. It's not going to be separate bill. It's going to be the same, like they're getting their credit card bill every month. So they just pay their bill, and guess what? In 30 days, their credit history gonna be reported on your credit report. So let's say if they have this card for 5 years and they never been late on this card, it's gonna be reported on your credit, like you're the one who has this card for 5 years and never been late. And to really quickly build your credit, all what you need is 3 cards like this. Like let's say what I usually recommend, like my favorite one is Bank of America or US Bank or Citi Card or Wells Fargo, some big credit companies. They report it pretty fast. And after you open, I hope you already opened, right? I hope you already have your Credit Karma free account. If you're not, please do immediately. So when you open your creditkarma.com, you're gonna see that you have perfect credit right now. That your credit score is 700 or even more. And after you have this, then you can apply for your first credit card. And usually in Credit Karma, they're gonna show you, which credit card are recommended to you. So just go and click on it, and that's gonna be it. Well guys, this is step number 1. I hope you're gonna do it, and I'm gonna post another video tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.